Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this course, we'll create a simple web game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a preview of my game. Pick that color is the name. Choose number of cards and play the same. The cards have been generated in this layout. Click on them to change their colors. The color changes from red to yellow, yellow to green and back to red. You need to get the cards to green color so that you can win the game. Once you are done, click on finish to submit the game. The score and result will be calculated. It says whether you lose or win the game. Score will be updated, and a clear button will clear the layout. I will be using Visual Studio Code as my editor. Now let's create an empty folder to contain our scripts. I'll call it Games Project 1. Drag it into the workspace. And inside the folder, create a new HTML document. .html. Add a doc type. This will tell the browser that we are using the document of type HTML. Let's add a title to a page inside the head tag. I'll call it colorful cards. Now I will add body. This body is where your main content of the page will be displayed. So let me add h1 heading. I will right pick that color. Now I will add a horizontal line break. Save this file and open to view the result. Okay, here you can see the title colorful cards and you can see a horizontal line drawn. Now let's continue with our code. I will add a label, and for attribute I will write get input. I will write some text. Now let's write an input field of type number, and we will accept a minimum of 6 and maximum up to 12. I'll add step of 3 and a placeholder. Choose 6 to 12 cards. Save this and let's add a button. Here I will write play. Here I will write play. Let's give a line break. Now let's add one more heading. Win by green. I span this because I can edit this text. Save this and open in the browser. Reload. You can see the text and also a play button. Let's add 2 more buttons. Just copy this button and paste it. Change the text to finish and clear. Save it again. This is the structure of a game. Now let's add one more division. Here, division of ID layout Let this be empty for now. Here is where our cards will be contained. This is the structure of a game. That's all for this video. In the next video, let us add some styles to our page using CSS. Until then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.